to the left. Yup, your whoppers. So to the left, guys, you will find the Diamond Resorts, also known as the Simpson Bay Resorts. Unfortunately, guys, that resort did not survive of the hurricane. It is right now under reconstruction. It's about to be open around the month of March. The island St Maarten. So on the front side of the island, guys, we call our police officers gendarmes. And on the front side, on the back side, we call them politieagents.
So we're here at Simpson Bay, St Maarten. Just had some rain and the sun will be coming out. So we decided to just go swimming anyway, because it's beautiful. Oh my God. This is paradise. So I was here in 2002 with friends. We spent like 9 days here at St Maarten. It was my favorite, still is. This is just absolutely picturesque. The sun will be out soon, we hope. And over here I see we have pelicans diving and swimming. So this is our last day, our last island. Tomorrow we will wake up back in San Juan, but we're only on like a 3-4 hour beach day here, so we're looking forward to having some fun in the beautiful water. Let's go get wet. So I built a sandcastle here in St Maarten. I did a little moat. There's a little flag on top. I just did a 5-turret abode. It came out nice though, it was fun. It's a tradition here for me since 17 years ago when I spent a week here on St Maarten. I built a sandcastle, so I grew up doing them at the Jersey Shore, so I figured why not keep the tradition.
I'm gonna play Godzilla in your castle.
I already documented it, so yeah. So for lunch, I'm having the Creole fish, which is red snapper done Creole style, beans and rice, and some salad. Looks really good. This looks delicious.
Delicious. I actually got 2 pieces of chicken.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I got a little leg.
Wow, this is really delicious. Red snapper, man.
Is it just barbecue?
Hey, just barbecue.
Good, good. I didn't want you to have anything spicy.
No.
It's raining again. So we're leaving the beach here in St Maarten on the Dutch side. So I wanted to say hi to my friends Mike and Bruce over there in Amsterdam. Give you guys a shout out. And their channel is The Diz Dutch. I'll put the description in, put the link in the description box. We're getting on the bus. back from our excursion to Simpson Bay. It was amazingly beautiful. It was raining when we got here, so we didn't know how it was going to turn out, but it turned out to be absolutely beautiful. A couple spurts of rain, but they only last a few minutes. It's so weird. I was on the beach in the Caribbean and it rains. But anyway, we had a great time. Beautiful. I'm so glad I got to come back. I love St. Maarten. Glad I got to come back. If I didn't already say that, sorry if I keep saying it, but I just love St. Maarten. Mountains, and there's goats that live on the side. I can't zoom in, I'm sorry. I've been having to use my GoPro for all the water excursions because I don't want to leave my Canon sitting on a beach. I'm sure you understand. Beautiful day. So to recap, slightly rainy day at the beach at St. Maarten beats an icy day in Michigan anytime. But it turned out to be a beautiful day, so we are not complaining. As we learned in St. Lucia, no pressure, no problem. See you guys soon. I'm Mr. Shields, and it's Mr. Shields to you. Bon voyage. Hello. Last night, this is the atrium. There's Pong. This is the heart of the ship.
Fail. What? Recording. It said blah, blah, blah. See it? Isn't that cool? Joe got it on. It was so cool.